Insights from our inspections, key themes in GP practices. In 2024 to 25, we inspected 30 GP practices across Wales to assess the safety, quality, and effectiveness of care being delivered to patients. GP practices across Wales continue to face significant pressure, and this has been reflected in our inspection findings. Over half of the practices inspected showed clear risks to patient safety, prompting us to request immediate improvement plans within 5 working days. Immediate assurance issues included emergency equipment not being checked, missing DBS checks, staff immunization records not being maintained, safeguarding training not completed, and infection prevention and control issues. Access to GP services remain a concern for many people we've engaged with. Our patient experience surveys, based on over 650 responses, offer valuable insight into how patients are experiencing care across Wales. 90% of patients said they were treated with dignity and respect. 63% of patients could book a routine appointment when needed. 62% of patients were able to get an urgent same-day appointment. And 49% of patients were offered their preferred type or method of appointment. Want to find out more? Visit our website